profitability for hosting providers is actually getting harder. Biggest threats to profitability in 2026, two things jumped out. The number one spot is price competition, pulling prices down, with the second thing trailing just behind is rising costs across the board. So that's everything from software to hardware to energy to labor, everything that goes into the cost line. And these two are really, really close in our survey data.
And we're live.
Yesterday's stuff was phenomenal.
I'm going to tell you about how I added a team member to my agency.
My biggest red flag that I totally just ignored, he started the call by saying, I think my current marketing company is blanking me in the blank.
Failing was probably the best thing that ever happened to me. Every good thing in my business today came from something that didn't work at first.
While there's so much AI out there, it's really, really important at times of uncertainty that your clients can see themselves in you.
So the 10-step high performance hiring method. So I'm going to lay it out all 10 here, then I'm going to break them down each one.
Just because some clients ask for a specific feature doesn't necessarily mean that there's an addressable market big enough for you to actually earn money with
When
them.
clients are tempted to cheap out, these are some of the challenges that I think they're likely to run into based on my experience.
Here's a quick way to just kind of take you from 0 to 0.1. Build a service, build a product, and then case study yourself on it. I think that's fantastic.
There are a lot of benefits of accessibility. And when you are talking to your clients, these are the things that you should be talking about.
You're all building the same stuff if you're building apps or websites. A lot of agencies treat a lot of these projects like it's starting from zero.
I'm going to walk you through 4 case studies, each of which I think has one or more winning features which we can implement on specifically the WooCommerce projects that we do for our clients.
Science fiction always becomes reality, it seems like, and pop culture has been promising us Jarvis for 15 years, from Iron Man, the Star Trek computer, the Jetsons. Those are all artifacts of existence of AI. Science fiction that's becoming closer to reality here in the present day. So that's the shape of what I actually want. I don't want a chat window. I want a presence. I want something that's there when I get up in the morning, something that I can ask and it answers and then it goes and does. And that was the bar.
When you share thought leadership without showing relatability, in my experience, simply doesn't convert. 71% of decision makers actually say that thought leadership is more effective when sales or marketing at showing a company's value. Let's just sink that in. 71%, that's a high figure.
The gist of what accessibility is that it is code and content optimizations that improve that experience for everyone. Accessibility has been tied to having better SEO, and these days we also talk about better AI optimization, greater reach. It will help bring more people to the website because it has that better underlying semantic HTML that allows the crawlers to understand what the website is about and how it should be serving that content.
The thing that I really don't like about Craigslist is you're basically just texting or calling random phone numbers, and it feels like you're talking to a used car salesperson, just trying to get a quote and sort of going in a circle, you know, like, how much can you build me a website for? Oh, well, what's your budget? What do you need? It's not a fun experience.
People ask me this all the time. There's a few different resources that I find most people that works pretty well. Number one, freelancer portals. There's so many of them. This is usually one of my top choices because you can see their ratings, see their reviews, see their earnings, look at their track record. There's no hiding anything. You can see them like black and white if they're any good at what they do. Referrals from colleagues is another really good one. Sometimes if you're only looking for someone part-time and you have a colleague who has someone part-time, you can job share. Like if you have a VA and that VA wants more hours, you can like job share that person. My one tip is when people ask me about my hiring approach, avoid resume only hires.